Hi, my name is Diane and I'm growing in the garden. I've got lots of flowers grown, but I wanted a couple more. They were only $7 each, which is really good. I can't remember what they're called, so if you just have a look at the thing, it'll show you what I've got. And they aren't looking too good at the moment. They are sort of dying off, so I'm just going to wait a week before I plant them into a normal soil. So I will mulch a bit of fertilizer in it as well before I plant them in a week's time. So if you subscribe to the channel,